Machine learning is one of the most talked about technologies today. You hear it in apps, phones, business, even healthcare. But if someone asks you what it actually is, most people wouldn't know how to explain it. At its core, machine learning is simple. It's about building systems that learn from data instead of being programmed with fixed rules. Traditional software works with rules. If this happens, do that. Machine learning works differently. You give it data and it figures out the rules by itself. Think about how humans learn. We observe the world, we notice patterns, and we improve over time. Machine learning follows the same idea just with data instead of experiences. For example, instead of telling a computer every rule to recognize spam emails, we show it thousands of emails. Over time, it learns what spam looks like on its own. Why businesses use ML? Why not just use rules? In the real world, the rules don't scale. There are too many situations, too many exceptions, and things change all the time. Machine learning adapts as new data comes in. Wherever data exists, machine learning can be applied, from your phone to financial systems to hospitals and research labs. Machine learning can predict diseases using medical data. It can forecast weather events, analyze the sentiment of text, and even detect fake news online. Machine learning helps organizations make faster and smarter decisions, and the more data you have, the better it gets. In the near future, understanding the basics of machine learning won't be optional. No matter your field, data and machine learning will be part of it. To conclude, machine learning automates the discovery of patterns in data and turns them into useful decisions. Simple idea, massive impact. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe for more content like this.